She crab soup is a southern staple. I'm adding some smoky Hungarian paprika to this soup to give it another dimension. You can use store-bought broth if you need to, but I just threw all of the ingredients you see on the screen into a crock pot and let it simmer away overnight. That'll give you a more flavorful stock. You can also control what's in it. Next, get the crab ready. Clean all the crab and cut them in half. It helps to crack them a bit too, but you can buy them cleaned if you want. Then heat up the oil in a pot over a stove turned up to high. Add the crab and fry them up in the hot oil for 10 minutes. Next, make a roux by adding flour to the oil in the pot. For seafood dishes, a light roux is perfect because it won't overwhelm the subtle flavor of the crab. Cook this roux until it's just light brown, which should take about 10 minutes. Add the onions and celery and cook them until they're tender. Finally, add the water and the herbs. Add the crab to the pot and cook everything together for 40 minutes. At the very end, stir in the white crab meat and simmer over a low fire for 5 more minutes. And that's ready to go. The wine with the soup are two Chianti, made from Sangiovese. We have Tenuta di Arsino Chianti Classico and Viticcio Chianti Classico. These are intense wines, so open them up to let them breathe before serving them. You might even want to aerate them. They taste of red fruit like cherries. There's also a flavor that some people call graphite. To me, it tastes more like ash or the byproduct of smoking something. All the more reason to serve it with a smoky